When life feels a little heavy and the world gets me down, I just smile and think of beautiful things and people that I love. Then things seem a little better, even other people smile, and I'm glad for all the beautiful things, glad for beautiful smiles. Smiles look great on people, people great with smiles. Great smiles come from Colgate, yeah.
Pure White Colgate lamang ang ginagamit ko. Alam kong walang ibang toothpaste ang nakapagbibigay ng fresh breath at nangangalaga sa ngipin na higit pa kaysa Colgate. The only toothpaste with Gardo.
Great smiles come from Colgate.
No toothpaste stops bad breath, fights decay better than Pure White Colgate, the only toothpaste with Gardol.
Masayang-masaya siya nang biglang naglaho ang kaligayahan. Marahil kailangang itanong sa dentista ang tungkol sa mabahong hininga.
Para mapawi ang mabahong hininga, pinapayo ko ang Colgate Dental Cream. Ang Colgate ay nanunuot sa pagitan ng ngipin. Tinatanggal ang nabubulok na tingang nagiging sanhi ng pagkabulok ng ngipin at mabahong hininga.
Opo, ang Colgate ay sumusumpo sa pagkabulok ng ngipin at pinamamalaging presko ang hininga sa buong maghapon.
Stop bad breath with Colgate, like tooth decay all day.
Uy, ito na ang pagkakataon ko para maisayo ko si Nora.
Eto na si Pogi na mabahong hininga. Tayo na, Nina.
Bakit ako nagulungasan ni Nora? Ba't hindi mo konsultado yung lingista ang tungkol sa mabahong hininga?
Upang tulungang pangalagaan ka laban sa mabahong hininga, mikrobyo at pagkabulok ng ngipin, ipinapayo ko ang regular na pagsisipilyo sa Pure White Colgate Dental Cream. Walang ibang toothpaste, anumang kulay o klase, ang sumusugpo ng mabahong hininga at pagkabulok ng ngipin nang higit pa kaysa Pure White Colgate, the only dental cream with Gardol. New improved Colgate ay nagbibigay ng nanunuot na bula na tumatanggal sa mga tingat mikrobyo ang sanhi ng mabahong hininga at pagkabulok ng ngipin.
Salamat sa iyo. Dahil sa Colgate, naging girlfriend ko na si Nora.
Stop bad breath with Colgate, like tooth decay all day.
Something new is about to happen. Blue, blue, blues, it's a Superman blue. Blue, baboo, yummy, 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 you. Blue, blue, blues, it's a super fresh breath.
New Colgate Superman Blue with 2 fluorides. It's the super delicious way to bye-bye tooth decay.
Delicious way to bye-bye tooth decay. A blue, blue Colgate Superman Blue.
Blue, blue, blues, it's a Superman
Yummy,
blue.
yummy, yummy, you.
Umaga na, mag-Colgate ka. Up and down, up and down, up and down.
Colgate's 2 fluorides protect teeth inside and outside for extra protection against tooth decay.
Gabi na, mag-Colgate ka. Up and down, up and down. It's all we need.
For stronger teeth, healthier gums.
No wonder it's the dentist's choice for a totally healthy mouth.
It's a miracle.
From Colgate, my mouth specialist. A miracle of prices worth over $2.5 million. You can win a trip to USA, or house and lot, a car, or appliances, or win them all. The grand prize worth $1 million. Complete the sentence, Colgate gives a totally mouth, right name, address, and signature on Colgate packs. Join Colgate's miracle of prizes.
It's a miracle.
Colgate's miracle.
Our teeth need calcium to make them strong, but right now they could be suffering from calcium loss. Look, lack of calcium can weaken the tooth, madaling masira. But don't worry, from Colgate, the world leader in oral care, comes Colgate with calcium. The exclusive Colgate calcium formula, bumabalot sa ngipin, kaya ito'y puno ng tibay, puno ng lakas. Colgate with calcium, Samang lakas ng calcium at 2-fluoride protection. Sa Colgate with calcium, mas tibay ang ngipin niyo.
To J. Ilagan, Colgate is the mouth specialist.
Malakas akong kumain. Obvious ba? Dapat malakas din ang ngipin ko. Kaya ang mouth specialist ko, Colgate. Ang mga mikrobyo kasi mahilig din kumain. Inuupa ka ng ngipin. Sa proper brushing with Colgate, tanggal ang mikrobyo. Plus healthy teeth and gums pa. Look, healthy mouth, healthy body.
Your extra protection toothpaste, Colgate for a totally healthy mouth.
My mouth will be healthy for the whole world to see.
To Rosemary, Colgate is the mouth specialist.
Nice smile, a healthy mouth. That's my Cheryl. Laki sa Colgate, parang ako. Alam ba ninyo na mas maraming ina sa buong mundo ang tiwala sa Colgate? Para sa amin, wala pang dadaig sa Colgate in giving a healthy mouth. Colgate, the mouth specialist.
Your extra protection toothpaste, Colgate for a totally healthy mouth.
My mouth will be healthy for the whole world to see.
Colgate brings you the best care.
Best care? Lumaki ko dyan. For my mom, only the best care will do. Sa toothpaste, di pwedeng basta-basta. Dapat yung may best care. Colgate. It has cared for me since I was this small. And it's still caring for me now. See? Stronger teeth, healthier gums. For me, alagang Colgate, wala nang iba.
Your best care. Colgate.
The news was important enough to tell every dentist about it.
It's Eric Bain. Eric Bain.
Fellow dentists, Colgate's worldwide expert in dental research, Eric Bain.
Our news is simple but dramatic for dental health in the Philippines. New Colgate with 2 fluorides gives the best tooth decay protection we've ever seen. Why 2 fluorides in new Colgate? Simply because 2 fluorides are better than our 1. This simulated chalk demo will show you how. The first fluoride penetrates deeply into the tooth for effective, long-lasting protection. But look, new Colgate has a second fluoride. It adds an extra layer for extra protection against tooth decay. See? Now new Colgate protects your teeth more effectively, inside and outside, to toughen them even better. That's double protection the 2 fluorides in Colgate give you. We've kept the great taste and almost doubled the performance.
New 2-fluoride Colgate for extra protection against tooth decay.
Now these kids will have extra protection against tooth decay. Here's a breakthrough in tooth decay protection. New Colgate with 2 fluorides gives you the best tooth decay protection we've ever seen. Here's how the 2 fluorides in Colgate work. Imagine this chalk as your tooth, and these, the 2 fluorides. The first fluoride penetrates deeply into the tooth for effective, long-lasting protection. But look, new Colgate has a second fluoride. It adds an extra layer for extra protection against tooth decay. See? New Colgate protects your teeth more effectively, inside and outside, to toughen them even better. That's double protection the 2 fluorides in Colgate give you. A 1 fluoride toothpaste like old Colgate gave you this much effective protection. New Colgate with 2 fluorides offers you more. And for kids like these, that's extra protection against tooth decay.
Ayan na! Ang lalaki ng ngipin ng ipo. Ma'am, pwede rin po siyang magka-tooth decay? Siyempre, hindi ata siya nagko-Colgate.
Pero kayo, siguradong protektado sa tooth decay because you always brush with Colgate. At ngayon, may 2 fluorides ng bagong Colgate.
2 fluoride?
Para sa ekstrang proteksyon laban sa tooth decay.
Paano po yun?
Imagine itong chalk ay ngipin. At ito ang 2 fluorides. Ang unang fluoride ay nanunuot sa loob ng ngipin para sa mabisa at tumatagal na proteksyon. But look, ang pinagkaiba ng Colgate ay ang pangalawang fluoride. Nagdaragdag ito ng ekstrang sapin para sa ekstrang proteksyon laban sa tooth decay. See?
Ah!
Ngayon, may mas mabisang proteksyon ang bagong Colgate sa loob at labas ng ngipin para lalong patibayin ito.
Ang dalawang fluorides mas magaling sa isa?
At para sa mga batang gaya nyo, yan ay ekstrang proteksyon laban sa tooth decay. Class, today, a new lesson about a new toothpaste.
Mom, hindi Colgate?
This is new Colgate with 2 fluorides.
Dalawang fluoride?
Para sa ekstrang proteksyon laban sa tooth decay.
Paano po yun?
Imagine itong choke ay ngipin at itong dalawang fluorides. Ang unang fluoride ay nanunuot sa loob ng ngipin para sa mabisa at tumatagal na proteksyon. But look, ang pinagkaiba ng Colgate ay ang pangalawang fluoride. Nagdaragdag ito ng extra sapin para sa extra proteksyon laban sa tooth decay. See? Ngayon may mas mabisang proteksyon ng bagong Colgate sa loob at labas ng ngipin para lalong patibayin ito.
Ang dalawang fluoride magaling sa isa?
At para sa mga batang gaya ninyo, yan ay extra proteksyon laban sa tooth decay. Look who's here!
Hi, kids. I've got news for you. With Colgate's 2 fluorides, we're coming closer and closer to giving you and your moms what you've always wanted. 0 tooth decay. Isn't that what you've always wanted?
Yes, sir!
A clinical test on hundreds of children like you proved that with 2 fluorides, Colgate is better at reducing tooth decay than our 1 fluoride. Imagine this chalk as your tooth, and these the 2 fluorides. The first fluoride penetrates the tooth for long-lasting protection. The second fluoride adds extra protection against tooth decay. See? Now Colgate protects your teeth more effectively inside and outside. And that means less tooth decay for you and you and you. Yay! Colgate works harder for 0 tooth decay.
Class is coming!
It's Eric Bay! Eric Bay!
And do you know that with 2 fluorides, Colgate gives you extra protection against tooth decay?
Extra protection?
I'll show you. Imagine this chalk as your tooth, and these the 2 fluorides. The first fluoride penetrates the tooth for long-lasting protection. But look, Colgate has a second fluoride for extra protection against tooth decay. See? Now, Colgate protects your teeth more effectively inside and outside for extra protection against tooth decay.
2 fluorides are better than 1?
With 2 fluorides, you get extra protection. And for boys and girls like you, that's extra protection against tooth decay.
Yay! Wow! Ang tutulis ng ngipin! Ma'am, nagkaka-tooth decay ba siya? Siyempre, hindi yata siya nagko-Colgate.
Pero kayo, siguradong protektado laban sa tooth decay ng 2 fluoride system ng Colgate.
Dalawang fluorides?
Para sa ekstrang proteksyon laban sa tooth decay.
Paano po yun?
Imagine itong chalk ay ngipin. At ito ang 2 fluorides ng Colgate. Ang unang fluoride ay nanunuot sa loob ng ngipin para sa tumatagal na proteksyon. But look, may second fluoride ang Colgate para sa ekstrang proteksyon laban sa tooth decay. See? Ang Colgate ay nagbibigay ng proteksyon sa loob at labas ng ngipin para sa ekstrang proteksyon laban sa tooth decay.
Ang dalawang fluorides mas magaling sa isa?
Sa 2 fluorides, may extra protection. At para sa inyo, yan ay extra proteksyon laban sa tooth decay.
At Colgate, we want to give you 0 tooth decay. Look, clinical tests like this are conducted by Colgate all over the world to give you the most scientifically advanced Colgate, because we want to give you what you want.
0 tooth decay.
On clinical tests like this, we've proven that 2 fluoride Colgate is better than the 1 fluoride toothpaste we tested. This chalk demo will show you how. Imagine this chalk as your tooth, and these the 2 fluorides in Colgate. The first fluoride gets into the tooth like this to make teeth stronger. But look, Colgate's second fluoride gives you the extra protection you need. That's extra protection for your teeth, inside and outside. That means less tooth decay for you and you. One step closer to 0 tooth decay.
0 tooth decay.
Colgate works harder for 0 tooth decay.
Si Kikong Kalabaw, ang ngipin, si laki rin ng kalabaw. Kikong Kalabaw, nagkaka-tooth decay ka rin ba?
Hindi. Nagko-Colgate yata ako.
Tama! At kayo rin protektado ng 2 fluoride system ng Colgate. Colgate ang may 2 fluorides na nagbibigay ng ekstrang proteksyon laban sa tooth decay. Here's how the 2 fluoride system in Colgate works. Imagine itong chalk ay ngipin. At ito ang 2 fluorides ng Colgate. Ang unang fluoride ay nanunuot sa ngipin tulad nito para sa tumatagal na proteksyon. But look, Colgate offers you more. May pangalawang fluoride dito para sa ekstrang proteksyon laban sa tooth decay. Kaya't ang ngipin ay protektado sa loob at labas.
Against tooth decay. 2 Fluoride Colgate. The best Colgate you've ever seen for extra protection against tooth decay.
Si Eric's base!
How's camping, boys?
Okay, sir!
Did you bring your Colgate?
Yes, sir! Lagi na na!
Good. Do you know that your Colgate is the best Colgate?
The best Colgate?
Yes. It gives the best tooth decay protection we can give. Colgate has the 2 fluoride system for extra protection against tooth decay. Here's how Colgate gives extra protection. Imagine this chalk as your tooth, and these the 2 fluorides in Colgate. The first fluoride gets into the tooth, like this, makes teeth stronger. But Colgate has a second fluoride for extra protection for your teeth, inside and outside. See, that's extra protection. That means...
Stronger teeth!
Remember, boys, laging handa, laging Colgate.
2 Fluoride Colgate para sa ekstrang proteksyon laban sa tooth decay.
Hello, kids.
Nahihiya ako eh. Sige na. Sir, please autograph.
Sure. What great teeth.
We use Colgate.
Good. Colgate has the 2 fluoride system for extra protection against decay. I'll show you. The first fluoride gets into the teeth, makes teeth stronger. The second fluoride gives extra protection. See? That's protection for your teeth inside and outside. Colgate's extra protection means...
Stronger teeth.
Okay, car.
Smile.
2 Fluoride Colgate toothpaste for extra protection against decay.
Scott is trying new Colgate Winter Fresh Gel.
Hey, what a super-looking gel. Let me try. What a cool taste. Let me try. Smile.
New Colgate Winter Fresh Gel, a creamy blue gel that gives 2 fluoride protection, extra protection against tooth decay.
Scott, it's good for both of you.
Want some?
Only Colgate gives 2 fluoride protection in the new great-tasting Winter Fresh Gel for extra protection against tooth decay.
Since 1908, we've been developing better and better toothpastes. Yet, we've not been able to beat proof with MFP fluoride in preventing tooth decay. But finally, after 23 years of clinical research on fluorides and tests on children around the world on more than 250,000 teeth, we've succeeded in beating proof. Introducing new advanced formula proof with an even more effective tooth decay fighting system, FloriGuard. FloriGuard repels cavities like this. Repels cavities better than before. Look, clinical tests prove that new proof is more effective in repelling cavities than ever before. This means better tooth decay prevention with new advanced formula proof with FloriGuard. After 23 years of worldwide clinical research, we now offer you toothpaste that repels cavities better than before.
Good check-up, June. Wala pang cavities.
Yippee!
Pero dapat may panlaban ka sa cavities. Eto, Proof with Fluorigard.
Fluorigard?
New Advanced Formula Proof. May mas mabisang cavity fighting system, Fluorigard. Ang Fluorigard ay pumipigil sa cavities ng higit pa kaysa dati. Pinatunayan ng mga clinical tests that with Fluorigard, ang bagong Proof ay mas mabisa sa pagpigil sa cavities.
At para sa inyo, new Proof means better cavity prevention.
Dad, wala pa rin akong cavities.
Magaling! Pero, pwede kang magkaroon ng cavities anytime. Kaya dapat Proof ang gamitin mo. Pumipigil sa cavities.
Pumipigil sa cavities?
Oo, because Proof has Fluorigard.
Fluorigard?
Ang Fluorigard ay pumipigil sa cavities ng higit pa kaysa dati. Pinatunayan ng clinical test that with Fluorigard, ang Proof ay mas mabisa sa pagpigil sa cavities. This means better cavity prevention. Sa Proof with Fluorigard na tayo.
Pumipigil sa cavities!
Nang higit pa kaysa dati.
Proof with Fluorigard. Pumipigil sa cavities ng higit pa kaysa dati.
Mom, let's go!
Oh, nagsipilyo ka na pa.
Opo, ang linis ah!
Oops, para malaman kung talagang malinis ang ngipin mo, nguyain mo ito.
Ano po ito?
Magic Tablets, makabagong paraan upang ipakita kung saan-saan nangangapal ang libag sa ngipin.
Dad, namula ang ngipin ko!
Ah, yan ang plaque. Ang plaque ay ang tawag ng mga dentista sa libag na nangangapal sa ngipin. Ito ang pinagmumulan ng cavities.
Kaya may bagong Proof toothpaste.
Sa Proof, tanggal ang plaque. Talo ang cavities.
New Proof with Digo F works two ways when you brush. Tinatanggal ang plaque at pumapasok sa ngipin upang gawing mas matibay ang ngipin para lalong malabanan ang cavities.
Wala nang pula!
Wala ng plaque.
Sa bagong Proof, tanggal ang plaque. Talo ang cavities.
Talo ang cavities!
Bagong Proof with Digo F. Tanggal ang plaque. Talo ang cavities.
Another dental bill. You better use a fluoride toothpaste so you'd see the dentist less often.
But Mom, I need a toothpaste with mouthwash for fresh breath.
Here, try my Fresh Plus for long-lasting fresh breath plus fluoride protection.
New Fresh Plus gives all the freshness of the toothpaste with mouthwash, plus the protection of the toothpaste with fluoride. So it's really two toothpastes in one.
Well,
If Fresh Plus freshens breath and gives fluoride protection, we have a new toothpaste.
Try New Fresh Plus for long-lasting fresh breath plus fluoride protection.
Hi, Ellen. Hi. Me and Ellen are like twins. We agree in clothes, parties. Hi. Hi. Boys! Pero sa toothpaste, I want one that freshes breath. I want one that fights tooth decay.
Now you can agree on one toothpaste.
New Fresh Plus.
New Fresh Plus.
Freshens breath.
Fights tooth decay.
New Fresh Plus has mouthwash to freshen breath, plus fluoride to fight tooth decay. Mouthwash in blue stripes, plus fluoride in white stripes.
Fresh Plus really freshens breath. Plus, fights tooth decay. Dito na tayo. New Fresh Plus.
New Fresh Plus.
Freshens breath. Plus,
Fights tooth decay. New Fresh Plus.
Now you have her. Now you don't. If your toothpaste can't give you mouth appeal to make her stay, change to Fresh Plus for breath so fresh, plus teeth so sparklingly white. Only Fresh Plus has blue and white stripes with breath fresheners in the blue for breath so fresh, plus tooth polishers in the white for teeth so sparklingly white.
Fresh Plus gives me even more. Gives me mouth appeal.
Now you have her.
Let's go.
Now you really have her. You've got mouth appeal.
Breath so fresh, plus teeth so sparkling.